Hello, and welcome to this brief overview of the Professional Advantage Process Automation Suite for Infor SunSystems. Professional Advantage have been working for over 30 years to provide extended functionality outside the core of the Infor SunSystems finance solution to add user capabilities, provide different UIs, and extend the footprint throughout your organization where required without having to extend your SunSystems user licensing. Professional Advantage work in a number of different areas, producing fully integrated, real-time solutions for cash management, billing and credit management, spend control and procurement, and specialist solutions to help you with your day-to-day accounting tasks. As well as our fully integrated SunSystems solutions, we also provide process automation, generally available across all ERP solutions. This would include PAStreams, our event-based integration tool, PA Intelligent Invoice Capture for managing supplier invoices, and PA eSign, our e-signature and document management solution. The incomparable uniqueness of Professional Advantage modules is our native and seamless integration with Infor SunSystems. When you install a Professional Advantage module, immediately and out of the box, the system understands the underlying SunSystems data structures such as business units, chart of accounts, transaction analysis, and has the ability to read all this on a real-time basis and additionally post journals into SunSystems with all the correct SunSystems validation on a real-time basis. This means that you do not have any problems with interfacing between an external solution and your SunSystems FMS. Where files may have been passed across and then there may be failures between the two systems due to failure of mapping or an import failure, these things do not happen with Professional Advantage solutions due to that direct and real-time integration. There is also an upgrade path that means as you move forward with new versions of SunSystems, there is always a corresponding release of the Professional Advantage module to account for new versions of SunSystems, new functionality within SunSystems, and changes to underlying operating systems compatibility. All Professional Advantage data objects are installed against the SunSystems database itself. There is no separate database involved with a Professional Advantage solution where it is working with Infor SunSystems. Within the Infor SunSystems database, there are tables and objects that support the Professional Advantage module. All configuration data, user profiles, and specific metadata required by Professional Advantage are added to that database through the configuration of the solution. Where data exists within SunSystems that is needed as part of the process, the Professional Advantage solution reads this at the database level or passes data into SunSystems at the database level where required. Things such as users, ledgers, supplier data, customer data, delivery addresses, chart of account and analysis. In fact, all of those great data structures that we rely upon in SunSystems are available to the Professional Advantage module immediately once it is installed. From a technical point of view, there is also no infrastructure requirement in hosting and managing a separate database. All of this is held within the SunSystems database, and when it is backed up, the Professional Advantage module is backed up as well. The first solution we shall take a look at today is the Professional Advantage B4B module. B4B is a global solution that has been utilized by SunSystems customers for many years. It allows for the generation of payment files that can be uploaded to your bank of choice when you have run a payment run in SunSystems. B4B allows for the management of bank details, capturing those bank details for your suppliers against a format-specific set of fields, validating the data to ensure that the bank detail record you have taken from your supplier matches that required by your bank to upload the file correctly. Those bank details can be passed through an approval process where there may be amendments, changes or addition over time, ensuring that you have security and control over your data. B4B allows for the transmission of many different payment types and works with many different banks. Payment types and banks are regarded as part of our library, and we have over 500 current formats available. We can also add additional formats for new payment types or new banks as required. Once you've generated your payments and sent the files to your bank for transmission, you are also able to generate remittances from within B4B, data being picked up from the payment batch in SunSystems, and then email addresses and contact details read from your supplier record within the SunSystems database. This means we can then email a remittance advice directly to your supplier upon payment. The system also has new functionality that allows for bank files to be sent directly to your bank via secure FTP where required, And if you run payments from any other system that is not SunSystems related, we can also accept incoming payment files from that solution and pass those out to your banks alongside any SunSystems information. Where you are not a SunSystems user, B4B can still act as your global payment gateway to your bank by absorbing files from any underlying financial solution and passing these through our stringent data validation processes and improving your automation around payment processing. Whether you have simple domestic requirements or more complex overseas scenarios, B4B can help you with your payment automation. Bank reconciliation is another dedicated Infor SunSystems tool. Statements can be downloaded from your bank and uploaded into bank reconciliation for matching against transactions in your SunSystems bank ledger account. The system provides a large library of import formats for statements coming from different banks, and once uploaded, those statements can be either manually or automatically matched against transactions within the ledger. The matching rules are flexible and easy to set up and can be managed by users. BankRec provides a variety of different reporting tools, which gives you both summary and detailed reports of statement history, as well as your actual bank reconciliation report, giving you your calculated differences and other information important within this scenario. Bank reconciliation is live and gives much quicker results than using BankRec capability within your SunSystems solution. Bank reconciliation can be deployed against all versions of SunSystems as an extension for those people who need to do many bank recs or just to automate simple bank reconciliation across a single account. Contract Service Billing, or CSB, is a professional advantage solution dedicated to sales invoicing. The system can be extended to any number of users in your organization without having to extend your SunSystems user license count. The system manages ad hoc sales invoices using different invoice types, different calculations and documents as needed, and also allows for the creation of a contract whereby you may wish to bill a particular customer for a certain amount on a periodic basis, such as monthly, quarterly, annually, etc. CSB allows for very flexible formulas and calculations on invoices, and multiple document formats can be set up for different customers, business units and accounts. The system allows for the approval of sales invoices with a workflow whereby an invoice that is raised can be passed through to an approver who may wish to approve it and move it on for dispatch, or potentially reject or return it as required. The system incorporates the dispatch of invoices to your customers via email attachment. This is utilizing the SunSystems customer information for email addresses and contact details. CSB is a highly cost-effective solution, allowing for most people to benefit from broader access to sales invoicing than would typically be seen within your SunSystems user environment. CSB has been deployed for many years and can save work and effort in managing your sales invoicing process. Collect for Infor SunSystems is a dedicated data management solution for SunSystems users. The solution allows you to access transaction information that has been posted into your SunSystems customer accounts and provides age reporting and debtor inquiry on demand. The solution allows your debtor management team to record their activities and notes, such as phone calls and emails, against a customer record and have information at their fingertips during a conversation. It also allows for future tasks to be set up, meaning that they never have to miss a scheduled appointment or promise from a customer. The solution automates statement generation, and these can be dispatched on demand or as a scheduled batch. Complex queries are possible in Collect using its powerful search set functionality. Reminder letter management and dispatch is made easy with automated escalations through levels of letter as needed, ensuring that letters are only sent when needed. Collect is a powerful solution that gives you a one-stop shop for debtor management within SunSystems. Professional Advantage Expenses is a web-based solution that allows for the management of personal expense claims throughout your organization. Users can access the system through their web browser or a mobile device and record any personal expenses that they may have incurred and need to reclaim. Expenses can be entered from a configurable list of expense types, recording the detail of the transaction and attaching a receipt image. Once entered, the expense is then passed on to a multi-tier approval process, allowing approvers to be notified of the task in front of them, and upon approval, posting the transaction directly into SunSystems. Users can deploy the mobile web application, meaning that they can take pictures of any receipt that they may have incurred at the time and hold these in a wallet for future addition to a claim, or potentially add them to a basic claim on the fly. The system is flexible, allowing for definable expense fields with different rules for different items. Extra information that needs to be captured for expenses such as entertainment or mileage allows for additional fields and mandatory elements to be caught. There is an integration available to the API for Google Maps, whereby you can enter the start and end postcode of a journey and the system will calculate the distance and the required expense amount based on the expense underlying rate for the user. The Professional Advantage Expense solution is a simple and quickly implemented way to manage personal expenses within your organisation with the benefit of a deep ledger integration to SunSystems. IPOS is a complete end-to-end web-based procurement solution designed for Infor SunSystems. It allows users throughout your organisation to simply raise requisitions using a mixture of catalogues, item records and shopping carts. It offers a clear and easy-to-use interface with a rich set of functionality, enabling procurement managers to take control of their spend and supplier relationships. IPOS offers real-time budget checking against SunSystems budget ledgers and a full commitment accounting process. One of the unique benefits of IPOS is the capability to post transactions directly to SunSystems with all the required validation. Most procurement solutions tend to fail in this area due to issues with the interface. Where a file-based interface is used, this can fail on import and the financial ledger becomes out of sync with the procurement ledger. This does not happen with IPOS due to the real-time integration. Once a requisition has been submitted, it can be passed for a multiple-level approval, with notifications being sent to the approvers in a web or via a mobile application. Approval of a requisition leads to automatic order dispatch to the supplier via email or XML. Goods receipts and invoices are also captured in IPOS in the web interface in order to close off the transaction and provide a three-way match. IPOS offers a rich set of functionality for procurement management that is built on a large user base implementing the system for over 20 years. It is the most utilised procurement solution built specifically for SunSystems. PA Intelligent Invoice Capture, or IIC for short, is a solution that offers to fix the perennial challenge of entering invoice data into your procurement system in a low-cost and time-efficient fashion. Benefiting from the use of modern artificial intelligence capabilities, the system allows invoices to be read from an incoming supplier email attachment, scraping relevant fields from the invoice using an AI algorithm, which mimics the intelligence of a human. Invoice fields are recognized based on the learnt knowledge of the algorithm rather than having to build out a separate template for each supplier, which was typical in older style OCR-based solutions, which reduced the efficiency gain found in implementing such systems. AI technology means an immediately higher first-time accuracy for new supplier invoices and a quicker ROI. With PA Intelligent Invoice Capture, suppliers can email their invoices to a defined address, whereupon our cloud-based system will apply the required logic to take those fields and create the invoice back in your procurement solution. The data passed to that system is accurate based on our long knowledge of the IPOS requirement for invoice capture. It benefits from logical capabilities such as supplier code defaulting. The original invoice document is made available as an attachment in the created invoice transaction. Direct invoices can be passed for approval, while purchase order-based invoices can be sent for matching. PAIIC is licensed as an annual volume-based subscription and can be deployed rapidly to give you an immediate cost saving and efficiency. Professional Advantage Advanced Inquiry is one of the hidden secrets in the SunSystems world. With Advanced Inquiry, users are able to answer their questions with regards to financial transactional data quickly and easily without having to access SunSystems or build out a report template. With summary and transactional drill queries delivered at high speed, it offers an alternative to the use of journal inquiry, account listings and other SunSystems functionality, but with increased flexibility and a clean, efficient user interface. Where the goal is to answer a query, investigate a position, rather than building a structured report, Advanced Inquiry is a clear leader in enabling the accounts team more efficiency. It is not, however, just the accounts team that can benefit. Offering both ledger inquiry and IPOS transactional inquiry, it means a broader user base can benefit from self-service reporting. Being a concurrent user license and not linked to the SunSystems license count, you can extend the ability to make inquiries to anyone in your team, such as managers and cost center owners. Once you've tried Advanced Inquiry, you definitely don't want to go back. Professional Advantage Consolidations is a simple and accurate tool for aggregating transactional data in different Infor SunSystems business units. This can occur for business units sitting on a single server or business units on an entirely separate SunSystems server. The system allows different SunSystems data structures to be mapped to a new structure needed for consolidated reporting. Various charts of account, analysis and journal structures can all be mapped in order to bring the data together. The hierarchy tree allows you to build out a number of different consolidations that may be using different mapping. This means that you could potentially have a structured statutory consolidation, for example, next to a management consolidation. The system allows you to run a consolidation process on demand by a defined period or by picking up a newly posted journal since the last process. You are also able to automate and schedule the process, meaning that it could be run at any time during the day or night. Professional Advantage Consolidations allows you to move away from using spreadsheets and Q&A aggregation, providing a solid and transactional dataset within your SunSystem structure with full auditability. Reporting for the consolidated system is then provided through standard Infor SunSystems tools such as Q&A or SunSystems itself. PA Consolidations allows you to remove those long and laborious processes that you go through on a monthly basis to aggregate data before your reporting cycle. PAMTD is a solution addressing the HMRC requirement introduced in 2019 for all organisations over the UK VAT threshold to submit their VAT returns digitally through a new API provided by the HMRC. The requirement means that limited manual manipulation of data is allowed between the capture of VATable transactions in the financial ledger and the submission of the return to the HMRC. There needs to be a full digital audit trail from origination to submission. Designed to be specifically for Infor SunSystems, PAMTD offers the ability to extract the required totals from your SunSystems ledger data and place these directly into the cells on the VAT return, fully meeting the HMRC auditability and requirements, while increasing the immediacy and monthly efficiency of return preparation. Once the totals have been verified, you are able to submit the return directly to the HMRC through the secure API connection. In addition, the system offers the ability to include spreadsheet-based data in the return where this may be applicable for certain situations, such as partially recoverable tax calculations. PAMTD is the most widely utilised, fully integrated SunSystem solution that addresses these requirements and allows you to make your tax digital quickly and easily. PAStreams offers a simple way to integrate your systems more effectively, ensuring that data is aligned and activities in one system correctly initiate actions in another on a real-time basis. We all know that integration projects can be costly and time-consuming, meaning that the benefits may not be easy to realise in a cost-efficient fashion, and they may never be implemented due to this. With PAStreams, the chances for success are significantly higher. These projects can be realised very quickly using our graphical data stream designer and a library of system and data connectors. Allowing drag-and-drop configuration on our canvas, data streams can be deployed addressing a single use case and then scale, adding more streams as you go to address multiple use cases in different parts of your business. A data stream can provide mapping, merging, and business logic, all applied while the data is in flight. Data from different sources can be normalized on a real-time basis, passing in a clean fashion to another system or repository, triggering actions based on defined parameters. With a platform that is supportable and scalable, you are more likely to end up with a highly complex point-to-point integration that does not fail. It can be supported easily and it can be upgraded. Our application page designer allows for data visualization and monitoring of processes as part of the deployment. PAStreams is available with Infor SunSystems connectors among a large variety from other systems and communication technologies in our ever-growing library. Deployed as either a cloud-based or hybrid solution, the system can leave a cloud infrastructure to provide data throughput and scalability, while still maintaining secure connections to a local host agent sitting within your environment. PAStreams can speed up your integrations and deliver results for problems that may have been unsolvable in the past due to complexity or cost. Talk to Professional Advantage if you have a problem that has been hard to solve, and we would love to prove that PAStreams can do this for you. The XM Pro Operational Intelligence solution offers an extremely flexible and extensive capability to better understand events occurring in your business and respond quickly and at the right time. Connecting easily with business systems, data stores and physical assets, XM Pro can flag when key parameters are breached, performance drops below specific tolerances, or external information indicates an action may be required. This could even leave artificial intelligence and predictive algorithms available through the service. Users can be notified in a visual interface when action may be indicated, and responses can be initiated in virtually any target system. Possible use cases can range from basic systems monitoring through to complex understanding of performance in physical assets and production equipment. Designed to be deployed quickly by subject matter experts, XMPro can take the complexity away from a large-scale IT project and allow your team to scale the solution over time, addressing multiple use cases in a single unified environment. With an extensive library of connectors, XMPro can grow with your business and enable insights that have been hard to obtain historically or are delivered too late to make a difference to your performance. If you would like to benefit from better insight, foresight and efficiency, then XMPro could be the correct solution for you. PASign is a cloud-based solution for Professional Advantage customers, addressing process automation in document workflow and signature capture. Manual management of the signature process has always been slow and complex, but with increased capabilities, increased remote working, and an improved legal status, e-signatures are now an important tool to lever in your business. PASign can drive efficiencies and compliance in daily processes, allowing for documents to be signed and completed quickly by a single person or multiple people within or outside your organization. Signature proofs are held in an auditable fashion and evidence packages can be downloaded. There are many benefits to using digital workflow. Document workflow process and signature steps can be defined and used on an ad hoc basis or set up as a reusable workflow available at any time. Signatories can be stored and reused. The system also allows for verification and data gathering steps where needed. PASign compares very favorably with market leaders on a functional basis and has a particularly compelling commercial aspect. Thank you for joining me for this overview of the Professional Advantage product set. Should you require any further information, please visit our website on www.professionaladvantage.co.uk or email us at info_uk@professionaladvantage.co.uk. Thank you.